can see the buses that come till this place, and from here we go to the bus stand.
तो मित्रांनो, आपण कुठे आलो आज तुम्हाला माहिती आहे का? बघून थोडं वाटणार नाही, पण मी तुम्हाला दाखवते. इकडे या, इकडे या, इकडे या, इकडे या.
So we are going from the first bus.
Trying to spot the statue, and there it is. Wow, humongous. Finally, I have entered after 2 rounds of security, and now going that place that's just behind me. For secure, it's very clean, and I can see that there are escalators all the way till the Statue of Unity.
We're at the lift here, and the lift is closing.
We uploaded on my video and I shall get more subscribers.
Are not here. What?
People look like ants from here.
Can you tell it to the camera?
People look like ants from here.
So guys, I am just out of the viewing gallery, and directly we have come to this what do you call, the exhibition area or the museum, and let's explore the museum or the exhibition area.
Wow, a theater. I want to go into the theater. Wow. So there's a smaller scale version of the same statue. And we also have the sculpture, the face, which is the exact replica of the face of the main statue with a proportion of 1:5.
So we are finally done with the exploration, and now we are on our way out of the exhibition. The 4 places that you should definitely watch while going is first and foremost, when you come, you have to go from this escalator to this podium or the parapet. So it's just at the feet of the statue, and you can watch the statue on around 180-degree view at the feet and get a good photograph. After that, you come down to this particular first floor. You can take a lift and directly go all the way to the viewing gallery, which is at the chest area, and you have both the views from the front and the back. And from that, you come directly with the lift directly to the ground floor, and at the ground floor you're gonna get an exhibition as well as theater, as well as the replica 1:5 replica of the sculpture of that. And finally, do visit the information center at the bottom, at the first floor. I got a good information tourist guide, so I need to go to gate number 4 and then catch a bus, the hop on hop off bus, which is already paid for, and it will take me to the Sardar Sarovar Dam and then the Valley of Flowers as well. So see ya there. So the cool part is just as you exit from here, there's a food court up over there, the black one, and there's a viewing gallery which you can go from here. So I'm gonna try to go there. Just as you exit the statue, there's a food court over here, and let's explore what the food court has in store for us. Oof. This place is fully air conditioned. Wow. The subway. We are at a point which is called, which is the second point, and this is called the Valley of Flowers. So we have come at the dam checkpoint or the viewpoint. So here behind me you can see the dam view. That's Sardar Sarovar. We are back to the pickup point. So guys, we are just coming outside of the tour, and the tour takes about 3.5 hours, and it covers a lot many points, and it's really worth the money, and we had a wonderful time. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching the statue with me, and join me for the next adventures.